In the world of artificial intelligence, a prompt is the initial input or instruction the end user gives to an AI model to instruct it to generate a specific type of response. This concept is central to how generative AI models function, particularly those designed for text generation, like those used to power chatbots, content creation tools, or virtual assistants. When a prompt is input into a generative AI model, it uses this as a starting point to generate text. The model looks at the prompt and predicts what words, or tokens, should logically and contextually follow next. This process is based on the model's training, where it has learned patterns and associations between sequences of words from vast datasets. Essentially, the AI uses the prompt to anchor its response, and then it builds on that prompt, word by word, by predicting the most likely next word until it forms a complete and coherent reply. For example, if a user inputs the prompt, "Explain how generative AI works," the AI model will start generating a response based on what it has learned about generative AI. As it generates the response, the model will select each subsequent word based on its trained knowledge, and the words in the current sentence it is generating. This prediction involves complex probabilities where the AI weighs the likelihood of each potential word fitting next in the sequence to continue the narrative in a way that is logical and relevant. The same process is initiated if a prompt asks the AI model to perform a more specific task. For example, in a marketing task, a prompt might be a specific request for the AI to generate advertising copy that aligns with a new campaign. The prompt could specify the tone, key points to cover, target audience, and style, providing the AI with enough context to generate tailored content that meets the campaign's objectives. The prompt is the main thing steering an AI model's output, so the level of precision in the prompt will dictate the usefulness of the output. A well-crafted prompt can yield highly relevant and accurate information, while an ambiguous or poorly specified prompt might lead to less relevant or off-target content. Understanding how to design effective prompts is crucial for anyone using AI if they want to ensure the tool's outputs are aligned with their specific needs.